How to make Facebook post visible to only one person. Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily make your Facebook post visible to only one person. You can do that first by heading over to your Facebook profile. So just go ahead and tap on the profile icon, then tap on the profile banner. Now scroll to the post where you want to make it visible for only one person. So let's say if I just want to go ahead and change the privacy of this post right here. What I'm going to do is tap on the three lines, then go to uh, edit privacy. Currently it's public, so anyone on or off Facebook will be able to view my post. What I'm going to do now is go to specific friends and just choose the friend that you want to view it to, and then just tap on done. Now only this person can view your story or post. You click on save and you're good to go. And it's as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.